morning guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a weekend cleaning routine video. So today I'm going to be cleaning up the house and showing you guys kind of what I like to do on the weekends to get ready for the week. We're going to be doing, you know, some cleaning, some laundry, some vacuuming, all types of stuff to get ready for the week. And I like to do all this like on the weekend because it kind of clears my mind and helps me get ready for the upcoming week. So I hope you guys are excited. I know I love watching cleaning videos. They motivate me to get cleaning and get organized, so I hope that this will motivate you as well. And one thing that we also like to get done during the weekend is mowing the lawn. So that's something that Ricardo does a wonderful job at. So he's actually doing that right now. So if you guys hear like some noise, it's probably the lawnmower because he's getting that taken care of. But we get that done, and I also love washing our sheets and our comforters and everything weekly, especially on Saturdays, just because I want them to be clean for the upcoming week. I like to do laundry, clean the bathrooms, vacuum, all types of stuff, clean down the counters. So it's gonna be a day full of cleaning. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Paula. I make videos on lifestyle, fashion, beauty, home decor, cleaning, all types of stuff. So I hope that you will subscribe by hitting that red subscribe button down below, hitting that notification bell, that way you're notified on when I post next. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in. So the first thing that I like to do before I get started with cleaning is put on a good playlist of music that's gonna pump me up, that's gonna motivate me to clean. I have to clean with music on because or else it gets pretty boring. So one thing that I take care of during the weekend, of course, is laundry. I like to do a couple loads throughout the week. However, I had some here that I needed to fold that I had just dried. But also, I love washing our sheets and our comforters, our blankets, every weekend, just because I love having clean sheets for the upcoming week. I love to air dry a lot of clothes that I think may shrink, so I have a lot of it that's hanging from the different loads that I did throughout the week. So I'm gonna go ahead and put those away because one of my pet peeves is to have this clothes just hanging here all week and not in its place. So that's what I'm doing now. I don't know why, but I find folding clothes so satisfying, and I actually do really enjoy laundry and kind of like this chore in the house a lot. What I'm doing right now is just folding clothes by category. So I kind of have a little pile of clothes that I know it's going to go in the closet, it's going to be hung, so I still fold it just to transport it. But then I'm also going to do another pile which is like sleeping clothes or something that I know is going to stay folded, and then my other workout clothes. So I kind of like to divide all of my clothes as I fold it into categories so I know where they're going after. Once I got my little piles, I have everything folded, I go ahead and take it back to the closet and put it away. Alright, so the next thing that I like to do on the weekends is, of course, clean. And I'm going to be cleaning the bathroom, kitchen, just the different places that we use on the daily a lot. So I like coming up with this little concoction every weekend, and it's basically just vinegar and Dawn soap, and it works wonders on grime, and especially like in the tub or in the shower. So I like making this before I get started with cleaning. I just mix it all up in a little spray bottle. I have it in this, and then I also have it in a little like scrub container, so you'll see that later. But I just mix this up to get it ready to start cleaning. Now I'm just putting it in my little stash basket here that I'm going to take upstairs to clean. My little scrubber that I was talking about, this comes in handy so much. So I'm also putting the same stuff in it, the Dawn soap and vinegar, and just mix that in there. And then I'm going to use this especially for the shower and the tub. I recently purchased this mop and broom holder from Amazon, and I've been loving it so much to hold everything. So now I'm just going to grab my Swiffer mop, and then also my Dyson that we just purchased and I am so in love with. So now we're in my master bathroom, and we're going to go ahead and start off with just clearing the floor, so removing all the rugs, our weight. I'm also going to put away all of the things on the counters because I just want a clear space to be able to clean. I'm also going to remove all the towels because all those are going to get washed as well. Going with my mix here, and I spray it all over the sinks. I love wearing gloves when I'm, cleaning the sinks in the bathroom just because I don't want to get product on my hands. So I take a little sponge and then I just kind of clean that out in there just because, sinks can build up with grime and things like that. So I love using this in here. It really does a great job of getting rid of all that grime, and I do this for the sink and then also the faucet. Next, I'm spraying the countertop with some disinfectant spray just to wipe it all down and get rid of any stains, toothpaste stains, whatever may be on the counters. I love using this for that. Next, I love this glass cleaner. It is so awesome. I'm gonna link it down below because I really love how it leaves our mirrors, and I just spray this on the mirrors, of course, and then I wipe them down. I noticed that especially in the bathrooms I can get a lot of water spots on the mirror when I'm washing my face or anything like that, so I love spraying the mirror with this. This stuff does a great job of just getting it squeaky clean and looking fresh again. I then like to top off the faucets with this glass cleaner as well, just to get them really shiny. Next, I get to Swiffering. So I love Swiffering the cabinets because I notice a lot of dust can accumulate on these, so I dust these off. And then I'm also going to dust off our blinds in the bathroom. Now onto the nitty gritty. So I'm taking everything out of the shower because I'm about to spray all this down with my mix just because I needed to let it sink and set for a while. Next, I'm gonna just add some toilet bowl cleaner and disinfectant spray to the toilet, let that sit for a while. I'm gonna empty out the trash because of course we need to do this. And next I'm spraying down the tub as well, letting that sit. Then I'm gonna go ahead and just clean out the toilet and the tub. And I let the shower soak the longest, so now I'm going to go ahead and scrub it down, add some water, and scrub everything down. And this vinegar and Dawn soap formula is so good for getting any dark stains out of, white surfaces. I love that for this because I use a lot of dry shampoo and sometimes that can stick to the floors, so I like using this and it actually gets it right out. So now I'm just going to clean out the outer part of the shower and the doors as well because these can also get pretty grimy. Next, I'm scrubbing all the doorknobs because, we use these the most, so I'm going to let some Lysol just sit on those and let those disinfect. My favorite part, which is vacuuming. I'm going to vacuum all the floors and then I'm going to mop and then we'll be finally done with the bathroom. This is my new Dyson vacuum that I have been wanting for a while. I just hadn't gotten around to getting one and I finally got one a couple days ago and I am so in love with it. So I'm using this. It's so easy to use. I mean, it's super lightweight, and this one's the Dyson V7, so it lasts up to an hour before you have to charge it again, which is really good. So it lasts me all day. And then I'm using the Swiffer, this is the wet Swiffer mop, and this one's super easy. You just change out the towelettes and it's just awesome at getting all the grime off of the floor, and it smells so good. So these are like my favorite little vacuum and mop. Of course, another place I like to get cleaned up throughout the weekend is my office space. Now that I've been working from home, it's definitely a place that I am in all the time, so I am definitely cleaning up here and picking up. And I recently redid this room to turn it more into an office, so I'm going to do a whole nother video showing you guys how I reorganize everything and move the furniture and all that. But I just love to dust everything off because a lot of things can accumulate dust. So I'm going to dust everything off, and then I'm also going to clean up the desk area because I spend a lot of time here, so I'm just going to wipe it down, and then I'm also going to clean the blinds and vacuum. My little getting ready area that also is used quite a lot, so I'm dusting this off and then wiping down the glass as well and cleaning the mirrors. I'm just gonna go ahead and vacuum down my rug and then the carpet. Places I like to get cleaned and wiped down, of course, is the kitchen and also the living room, because these are also two other rooms that we spend a lot of time in during the week. So I like cleaning down the countertops. I'm also going to clean down the sink as well, because that can get kind of dirty with all the food and just different things, you know, that we put in the sink. So I'm going to go ahead and clean that out as well. Kitchen table is some place that I always wipe down every time we have dinner and every time we're here. I wipe it down every single day, but here I'm just wiping it down one more time just because I also do it on the weekends just to make sure it's good. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm also going to clean the floors and pick up any crumbs that we have here in the kitchen. These mats have been such lifesavers. I love them so much. These we got at Costco, and they're kind of like those squishy materials, so they're like good for you if you're standing, you know, a long time here in the kitchen, which we usually are. So I love these, but a lot of crumbs can accumulate under them, so I like to pick them up and get all the crumbs out. I like to wipe down our coffee table and then our shelves and everything in the living room because we also spend a lot of time here. And then I'm also going to just vacuum it up. That's going to be it for this weekend cleaning routine video. I hope you guys enjoyed cleaning with me today. Make sure to thumbs up this video if you enjoy cleaning routine videos, if they motivate you, and don't forget to subscribe, and then also make sure to hit that notification bell. That way you're notified on when I post next. But thank you so much. Remember, you're all beautifully and wonderfully made, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.